Well, like I said, it's not that big of a deal. The only thing is, it may have potentially scarred the roof of my mouth to make it smooth, which I don't think it really matters. Oh wait, it's a double fight? Uh-oh. Hopefully it's not too painful. I just wasted my super. Pretty sure we can just hit them, right? Oh no, they're gonna gimmick me. Oh no. Please don't. Okay, well they reflect that. Wait. They increase the ailment. Does this work? Man, Alice, yeah, we're gonna... Fuck, man. I don't want to waste that shit. Okay, well, now we have a problem. We just wasted one. Fine with one, but... What do I do here? This is legitimately a bad scenario. I don't have any physical attacks I can follow through. I have one with Heat Wave. Okay. Well, if they're only gonna use Mazio, I could use it to regenerate.